They've left me all alone. Strawberries. I'm gonna fill these up. They're going to the bouncy. Where are we going?
Strawberries. Strawberry farm. Strawberries.
Isabella?
Strawberries.
Can I go pick some strawberries?
With our friends.
With our friends.
Georgie
Exciting times.
and Manny.
That's right, and it's
We are
sunny.
eating the orgy.
See you soon.
I hate
Where are we?
Friends.
Where are we? Strawberry.
Take a video of my phone,
What's that gonna do with the strawberry mission?
please.
There's none. But anyway, it's just gonna be exciting. We're gonna do some videoing.
I put one in
Get some strawberries. Gonna wait for our friends to turn up and. go
Mommy,
from there.
Georgie, open!
Look at that for a bouncy castle slide.
I hate it. You can get
So,
picked up
look
and
at
then
it.
fly away
Look at it.
and die.
It's actually got a frame on it to get up to it. There's some more bouncy castles. And there's a strawberry. Strawberry. It's very cute, isn't it? Mummy.
I'm in the middle.
The Good Planet. Pick, eat, play. Look at all the people. It's the first weekend. It's manic. Come on. We're gonna get on the train. Well, hopefully. I don't think we needed to stand in that queue, did we? We're going on the train, boo boo? Yeah? Nope. Strawberries! Strawberries!
My dad videoed me.
And we're off.
Mommy, is there such thing as 10,000? 10,000? Yeah. But there's 100,000 and 20,000.
Strawberries everywhere. And those ones need a little bit more growth. I think they're a bit green. Oh, look. Got some hydroponics. It's different, isn't it, than last time?
I don't smell any dust here. Look, you can see that. Now we cross those thingies. Now we're at the store. Where's dust, Jack? Where?
Strawberries.
Look, the strawberries.
Strawberries. Bladder of water. Interesting. Let's go, boo boo. Here's the train. It's very cool, isn't it? Where are you? We need to go through a hole that. It's very cool, isn't it? So many strawberries, so many people. Yes, boo boo. Okay, which one do you want to go down? This one? There's no one here. Let's go. Look at all the hay. They've organised themselves. It used to be a mud fest.
I ripped one from that side. Daddy. I ripped one from that side, which was perfect.
So good. So good. We're in the middle of the field. Strawberries everywhere. People everywhere. Just out the gate.
Where's Mummy?
The game. They've left me all alone. Strawberries. I'm gonna fill these up. There. They're going to the bouncy castle. It's mucky. Mushy, 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 mushy. There we go. It's pretty packed. Look how wet that is. Ooh. Look at this one. Look at that. It's a little gem, isn't it? Ooh. Succeeded. So we've had some strawberries. It was actually yesterday. But this is where we're at. Pancake time. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. Bucket. Going to chop them up. Kids will have some pancakes in a minute. Empty plates. Watch the space. Ooh. There it is. Boom.